guys, meet again with Ariara. Right now I will make a video about no airsoft, but I will make a video about the real action marker or paintball gun that used to use for the military training. Kali ini saya akan buat video cara tutorial cara bongkar dan pasang mp5 RAM A5 real action marker. Unit ini biasa dipakai buat latihan di tentara. Kalau ini milik Om Mayjen AU Angkatan Laut. Ya, karena ininya rusak, selektornya rusak, patah, dia minta dibikinin yang baru because the selector is broken. You can see this is broken. I must make the new one, custom made and more tough and more decent for this unit. Okay, this is the mp5 or RAM A5. Okay, you can see this is 12S series RAM S series. Okay, this is the number of the unit. Okay, real action marker. This is use paintball marker with the, you can wait, I will bring it. Okay, this is the BB and this is the BB flash. You put the BB inside this and you can see there's still one. This like this. Okay, that, and this is that, and the cell will eject like the real gun because this is used for the training military. In this case is Angkatan Laut AL, Navy SEAL. This is used for Indonesian Navy SEAL training. This is the magazine. That's the shell, the BB shell. And this is the CO2 gas. This is the CO2 gas. Paintball air fuse. Okay, CO2 capacity. High pressure. This FPS is high, more high than airsoft. Okay. Okay, now we will start the disassembly. Okay, first we must pull out the stock popor. Kita harus copot popornya buat stock ini kan. Press this and pull. Okay, after that push the pin. There are lock in here. You can press it and push. Okay, and pull. Okay, it's out. Okay, let's see. Now we take this, the flash header, and the pin for the wrist. See this screw, you open this, okay, and release the pin. Push. Okay, and now you can slide this out. Right. Just like that. Okay, the upper receiver is from metal. Okay, now we can use the CO2. Now take out the selector. Okay, and you can. Okay, this is the core of the. Oh, don't forget, don't lose this gear for the selector. Is in here. Okay, and this lever and here too. Okay, can take it out. Okay, number ID is this L2 trigger, and this is the core of this gun. Okay, that's it for tutorial. Okay, that's the disassembly. After this we will make a video about reassembly. Okay, see, this is made from a Powerball Kyonte paintball sport corporate. Okay, that's it for the disassembly. And this is the core is from metal, strong metal. This is the outer. Okay,